For this assignment, you will be using the WriteAbout form that you guys have already used before. Before you do anything, please remember that you need to put your name, first name and last name, and your homeroom teacher's name on your worksheet. That way you can get your credit. This worksheet can be filled out as you read. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you write down the name of the topic, article, or passage. For this assignment, you're going to be using the News ELA article, A Short History of Greek and Roman Myth, Gods, Goddesses, and Heroes. So you will write that on the line. I'm going to go ahead and make that font smaller so that you guys can read it. All right, so before we get started, let's just review the directions. There are 3 different things you need to do with this worksheet. You need to draw a picture or write symbols in the box to summarize the topic, which I showed you guys how to do the last time we used this worksheet. You need to also list keywords about the topic, and it would be my recommendation to do this as you read, so you can pause in your reading, come back and write down keywords. And the last thing you need to do, which I would do after you've read, is write a paragraph summarizing your learning by using the terms above in a 5+ sentence paragraph about this topic. Check off your terms as you use them and then circle them in your paragraph. So that means you're going to write a paragraph right here using the terms or keywords that you identified in reading the passage. So the first thing that you'll do is read the passage. In order to read the passage, you want to make sure that you choose the right lexile level. You can go all the way to a 12th grade level, or you can bring it down to another level wherever you are. I'm going to choose the 640L lexile level right now. And the first thing I need to do is read the article. So please go ahead and pause your video, take some time to read the article, and then when we come back, we will just quickly review how to do the keywords and the paragraph. Once you finish reading the entire article, then you need to go back and start filling out your worksheet. I already started filling out mine. I'm not going to show you guys the picture this time because I showed you in the last video. 3 of my 5 keywords are going to be Mount Olympus, gods and goddesses, and Zeus. Remember, you need at least 5 keywords. So to remind you, I just highlighted these because we do need to fill them in. Once you've got all your keywords, you can start writing your paragraph using your vocabulary words. So I'm going to just go ahead and start my paragraph, and I'm going to make sure that I include my vocabulary words in that paragraph. Greek and Roman myths and legends were about the gods and goddesses, because I need to make sure that I'm circling my terms. I'm going to do that now. So I've circled my term. I also need to check it off. Check off gods and goddesses. Okay. And I'm going to keep writing. These gods and goddesses lived in a place called Mount Olympus, and Zeus was their king. Okay, so now I've used the term Mount Olympus, and I've used the term Zeus, so I can check those off. Now I need to make sure that I circle both Mount Olympus and Zeus, and then I would keep going. So once you have all 3 sections done and you've written your paragraph, you are done with this particular assignment. And then as a reminder, just like last time, you're going to take the News ELA quiz, and then you are good to go.